Hello students, myself Manoj Kumar. Today I am going to s- explain once again chapter 10 of the part 3. This is the decimals. In this chapter, I have already learned that how can we identify the decimal place values like decimal, unlike decimal, and how can we change decimal into the whole number and whole number to the decimals. And now in this video, we will discuss about the exercise 47, which is based on the division of 10, 100, 20, 80, and 5000 etc. And now, in this exercise, there are question number 1 to 24. And here we see question number 1 to 12, 1 to 13. 13s are based on same type of the pattern. Now let us see how can we solve this type of the questions. Here is the question number 1. Find the quotient 23.64 divided by the 10. 23.64 divided by 10. Now you can divide this number, it means 23.64 by 10 in the simple manner. How can you divide it? And this type of the rules will be applicable for 100, 1000, and etc. Now, how can we divide it? Now, here we see the number of the digits after the decimal place in these numbers. Here is the 2 digit. Here is the only 2 digit. And now, how can we divide by 10? Now, by students, count the number of zeros after the 1. Yes, which is divisor. Here is the 1, 0. Now, move the decimal, this decimal point towards left side after 1 digit. Now, when we move the 1 digit in this way, we get 2.364. Now, let us see the another questions. Here is the difference between these two questions are, here is the 10, divisor is the 10, and here is the divisor 100. And now once again, count the number of the zeros after 1. Here is the 2 zeros. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Then we will move this decimal point after move this decimal point towards left side after the 2 digit. Now count the digit 1 and the 2 digit before this decimal point. We get 0.9587. And you can also write this questions, this answer in this way also, 0.9587. Okay. Now it is not necessary to write the zeros before this point. This is the only uh, now let us take the question number 30. 6.9342 divided by 1000. Once again, count the number of the zeros after the 1, 1, 2, and 3, and move this decimal point towards left side after left side after the 3 digits, 1, 2, and 3, towards left side after the 3 digit. Now, but here is the only 1 digit, but we will move these decimal points to after 3 digits to left side. To make the digit 3, write 2 zeros towards before to 6, 6, 0, and 0. Now in this way we makes the 3 digit 6, 0, and 0 and write the point is here. Okay, and this 0 you can write or not. Okay boys, now let us see once again. Here is the 10. Move this decimal point towards left one digit. Here is the two zeros towards this decimal point to left two digit 0.9587, and here is the 30 towards this point after 3 digit to the left side, but here is the only one digit, so write 0 and the 0 before 6. It makes 3 digit 006, and write decimal is here, and you can write 0 or not. Okay, now in this way we can solve these questions. Now go to the next type of the questions. Question number 14 to 24. Let us see question number 14. 202.4 divided by 20. This is the process. This is the very easy process. 202.4. Remove this and divide it by 20. Write the 20 in this column. And remove this point. How many digit after this decimal point to the right side? Yes, one digit. So write one digit, 10 after this 220. It makes the 200. Now change into the 2024 by 2, and this is a 200. Now write 100 in this way. It means 1, write the 1 and put two zeros, which is in here. And now simple, 2 divide to 224, 2 divides 2024. Then we get 1012 as a quotient. Write this here 1012 and write 100 under this numbers. And now when we divide 100 to 1012, I have already learned in the previous slide how can we insert the decimal point. Count the number of zeros. Here is the two zeros, and now put the decimal point from the left side after the two digit. Here is the two digit, 2 and the 1, right is the decimal places. Okay. Now here is the another questions. 94.24 divided by 80 in the same way. And we can write it here in this way. In the same way we can solve just as a 14 questions. 94.24 by 80. Remove this point, and how many digit after this decimal point? 2. Now increase the number of the zeros after 80. How many zeros increase? 2. And now write in this way 9424, write the 8 is here. There is the 3 zeros. Now 1, write the 1 and write 3 zeros after 1. Now when we divide this 8 to 9424, 8 to 9424, we get 1178 as a quotient. And now write it in this way, and write the 1000 under this. And now how many zeros? 1, 2 and the 3. Write the decimals after the 3 digit from the right side. So in this way it makes 1.178. Okay. Now here is the question number 21. 3.64 divided by 700. 3.64 by 700. Remove this point. How many is digit after this point? Here is the two digit. Write the two digit in this way. And now we can separate it 364 by 7 into 1 upon 1, and here is the 4 zeros. And when we divide this 7 to 364, write it in this way, we get the 52 as the quotient. Now write 52 and under this 10,000. And count the number of the zeros, 1, 2, 3 and the 4. Insert the decimal point after the two digit from the right side. But here is the only two digit. Then to make the 4 digit, we will write here in this way. We can write 0052. We can also read it as 52, but it makes the 4 digit 1, 2, 3 and the 4, and write 0 and insert the point is here in this way and write this 0, you can write this 0, yes or no. Okay, you can write 0.0052. Now this is the last questions of this exercise 24. And in the same way, 182.5 divided by the 5000. Write that in this way and remove this point. And how many digits after this decimal point to the right side? Yes, 1. So increase the number of zeros to the 5000. It makes the 4 zeros. And now write in this way. Write the 1825 and write 5 under this column. And now multiply sign given 1 by 1. And now how many zeros are here? 4. Write the 4 zero after the 1. Divide 1825 by 5. In this way, we can find 365 quotient and write 1 and after 4 zeros and here. And now insert the decimal point after the 4 digit 1, 2, 3, 4 because here is the 4 zeros now, but here is the 3 digit. To make the 4 digit, we can write here in this way. How can we write to make this 4 digit 30365? It makes the 4 digit. Now insert the decimal point is here and write the 0 and before this decimal. Okay, guys. So in this way, we can solve the exercise 47. And if you use this type of the method to solve this question, you can solve in easy way. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you understand how can we divide by 10 and 20, 5,500 and etc. Thank you. In the next video, I will explain the more problem which is based on the decimals. Okay. Thank you for watching my video.